chats. Renditions 25014. Makes me sick. There are some people out there who need help. 5 times, here you go. Where does that even come from? What? So it's got to be somebody at DC's fetish. 4. Hey guys, I got a really funny idea. 5. Glenn McAllister top and bottom. And then he's in like a group that they're all like, hey, if you want to please buy this. And then he's like, hey guys, I've got 500 people that'll buy it.
It's in like the subreddit.
Yeah. All right, how are we looking in the 12 front here?
That is 6 and 6.
Woo!
That's crazy. That was such a like, there's 16, there's 12, there's 11. Going crazy. I was sitting here like, did I give someone too many packs? Like, what did I do? What happened?
And I've done it before. It's something that does happen, but it is not what happened.
No. We have Venom, Ghost Rider, Venom, Clear Strange, comic boxes, Scarlet Spider, and Spider-Man.
You don't want to
Hmm?
You don't want to
It's that easy. Spider-Man, Mysterio Manifesto, Star-Lord, Mysterio in Goblin Green, number to 399, Dr. Octopus, and Captain America. Black Cat, Phage, Dr. Ock, Null, Green Goblin, Doppelganger, and Spider-Man Noir. Doc Ock, Ghost Spider, Green Goblin, Cosmic Ghost Rider, Mysterio, Miles Morales, and Mysterio. Venom, Demogoblin, The Amazing Spider-Man, Loki, Renditions, comic boxes, Kraven the Hunter, and Dr. Ock. Riot, Vulture, Severance Package, She-Hulk. Ooh! Oh my god, no way! That's a sketch card.
Oh, what the hell? That's sick.
Look at them! Oh my god. That is so fun.
Spider-Ham and Spider-Monkey?
I'm like monkey or lizard? I think it's monkey. That's such a fun sketch. Hell yeah.
Yep, it looks like Spider-Monkey.
Oh, hell yeah. Spider-Man and Electro. I mean, that's a 101. I did it.
Ask and I shall receive, I guess.
Ooh, Hydro Man, Peter Parker, and Silk.
No idea, Andrew.
Mysterio, Spider-Man. We got Green Goblin, Enchantress, Kingpin, in Ghost Spider Pink.
Yep.
Number to 199. Lizard and Alasha.
I doubt it, Andrew, is my first thought.
Mockingbird, Cloak and Dagger in Goblin Green, number to 399, and J. Jonah Jameson in the Kingpin's Purple Tie, 2 of 99.
I'm just haircutting the final 11 in that Marvel break. There'll be some very cheap ones. Most of them half price. I can't be bothered typing 0.5. Pardon?
Ooh, we have Carnage in Hobgoblin Orange.
That's so silly.
It's so stupid.
But I love it at the same time.
Well, that's, I just, every time I say in Kingpin's purple tie, I'm like, are they wearing his tie?
Yes. There you go.
Craven, Doc Ock, Juggernaut.
Here comes the Juggernaut.
Numbered to 90 in the Verve.
What the hell was 90 meant to be?
It's not, it's Verve.
Oh,
It's
a
like
bittersweet
it's
symphony,
oriented.
this life. That's who's saying bittersweet symphony. That's a really good joke. Thank you, thank you.
That's how I feel whenever I make jokes and James doesn't laugh at them.
Yeah.
What reluctant celebrity, Peter Parker, Tombstone, and Doc Ock to finish that one up.
I'm a bit of a reluctant celebrity myself.
I mean, you almost had your face on the side of the building.